So on a countless note, I've made this on Poppo Livestream app, and you guys know that I've talked about Poppo Livestream app a lot. And in this video, I'm going to be teaching you new tricks that you can actually use to be able to make more money to your account, okay? If you want to be withdrawing this as well every month or every week, or you want to even be withdrawing more than this, then this video is for you. If you're looking for how to make money quick, a quick making money scheme, this video is actually not for you, because this video, I'm going to be teaching you practically how I'm be able to do this and achieve this, and I can be able to withdraw this every month. If you don't know, on this particular platform, Poppo Livestream was one of my first viral video on this particular channel, and it has still been getting a lot of views. And ever since I introduced this particular app I'm about to share with you guys to my audience, a lot of persons have been coming to my YouTube channel live stream or comment section to be like, oh, Sonia, thank you so much. With your help, I've been able to make $100, $2,000, $3,000, and so on and so forth. And you also can also be among those ones that will be making money using Poppo Livestream app with this particular platform that I want to introduce to you. Hello beautiful people, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. It's Sonia, and I'm back again with another mind-blowing video. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are fine, hope you guys are good. If it is the first time tuning in, do a subscribe, like this video, drop me a comment, and lastly, do not forget to share. First, I'm going to put out a disclaimer there. This video is not financial advice. This video is for educational purpose. Do well to carry out your research before doing anything you want to do. But this particular platform I'm about to share with you, I've been sharing it on countless of my videos, and it has been doing wonders, and it can also do wonders for you. So if you check the link in the comment section or the link in the description, it's going to pop up this interface I'm going to be putting on the screen right now. And this interface is simply called Coco DP for players, and of which this Coco DP for players, like I've said, I've done videos about this. This is not the first video, this is not the second video, this is not the third video. And I'm doing videos about this because I know it has been helping a lot of my creators, and a lot of people are also demanding that, oh, please do an update if there is any update, okay? So it will pop up on this, and the only thing that you can do is to click on this country and to check that your country is here. But if your country is not here, just like my own country that is not here, Nigerian to be precise, don't worry yourself. I'm going to be teaching you guys tricks and hacks that you can actually use to get yourself whatsoever you want on this same platform. So now if I click on this place, it's going to take me to the interface, and of which it's going to show you that you should please log in with your Google. I already have my own account here, so I'll just go ahead and log in because I've created an account with them before. And yeah, so this is me just going to log in with my account. And it doesn't just take anything for you to log in, just for you to put out your Google account there and you're good to go. So right now you can see that it's saying I'm logged in successfully. And if you check on this upside, you can see some of their official corporation, some of their come to top up Coco DP and every other event that is going up here. You can also pause to like check it out very well. And then if you check on this direct top up and you scroll down, you're going to be seeing where all these things are happening, whereby you need to see your live stream life and life, where you have Bigo, you have Imo, you have Star Maker, you have Miko, you have What's Up, and then you have Poppo Live. But today we're going to be specific on Poppo Live Stream because this is where I like make money more than all of these other apps that has been mentioned here. So if you have any other site that you make money more than the one I'm about to talk about, you can also do it to carry out everything I'm about to say on this particular site. So I'll talk about Poppo, okay? If you want to make money on Poppo here, and the new tricks and hacks that a lot of people have been using to make money now is to go to Coco DP for players, which is this particular website, and then buy coins from them. And this is how it works. If you buy coins from them, they sell coins for you to the cheapest, when I mean the cheapest rates, okay? So if you buy coins from them now, you are going to resell those coins. You're going to become a coin seller. And if you don't want to be a coin seller, you can buy coins from them and either gamble with the coins, or you play games with those coins and then make more money for yourself, or you use those coins and do exchange to upgrade your live stream level on Poppo. So a lot of people recently that I've seen have literally been buying coins from Coco DP from players. And sometimes when I ask them, why are you buying coins from Coco DP from players? Why are you not buying coins from the normal Poppo live stream app? They said the comparison between the two of them is way differs, okay? Which is Coco DP for players is way cheaper than Poppo Livestream app, okay? Anyways, I'll just click on the Coco DP for my Poppo Live so that it's actually load and you guys can see exactly how you can buy coins. Then for those of you that will be like, oh, my country is not here, at the end of this video, I'm going to be telling you guys exactly how I do my, okay? For me to be able to outstand there. And this is going to be our secret. Anyways, so if you come to this place, you're going to scroll and you're going to be seeing different type of coins that they sell. You can see here, you can see 3, 4, 5,000 plus extra 100,000 coins, 14,000 plus extra 38 coins, and every other coins that you are seeing. All you need to do is to click on the one that you want to buy, and automatically it will bring in the money for you. Right now the money is showing in Kenya shillings because I am using Kenya. I am registered with Kenya. Yes, you guys might say, you are in Nigeria, why did you register with Kenya? I registered with Kenya because I know that I can be able to get coins using this Kenya code link, and this is how you are going to be doing it. If you have a friend that is based in Kenya or Ghana or any of this country that is being listed on this country, and Colombia and the rest of that, all you need to do is to register with that same country. And if you register with that same country, then you're going to select the particular amount that you want to buy, and if you click on buy now, that person that is in Kenya is going to buy for you. So basically, I have a friend in Kenya, and if you've been watching most of my videos, I've been talking about Coco DP. I still tell you guys that is my Kenya friend that usually buy coins for me. And once she buy coins for me, I'll now use those coins to either gamble or play games, or then I exchange to make more money on my account, okay, which is on my Poppo live stream. So you can check out which particular country that you have a friend there, or if you don't even want to stress yourself to have an account just the same way I have an account here, you can simply just tell that your friend to register on Coco DP for players. Then all you need to do is to tell her the exact amount of coins that you want to buy, and if you tell her the exact amount of coin that you want to buy, it's going to show here. Then she's going to go ahead and click on buy now, or if you're the one, you're going to click on buy now. You can see here they said please fill in your UID, and your UID, you're going to go to your Poppo live stream app to copy your UID. For those of you that will say I don't even know where my UID is, because that is what one of my person told me. He said I don't even know where my UID is. I'm just going to show you where you can get your UID right now on your Poppo live stream app. Then you're going to share her that your UID, okay? So if you share her your UID, you can see here they said ID 3422724. This is my own ID, and this is exactly where you can get yours on your profile, and like this, okay? And then she's going to buy the coins for you, and when she buy the coins for you, it is going to appear here. So this particular remaining coins that you guys are seeing here is the one I bought from my friend that is in Kenya. And this is the remaining one, and this remaining one, since I've already done exchange and add to this particular account, I am waiting for my my agency to be online so that I will tell him that, oh, I have a coin and I want to exchange. And a lot of persons might say, oh, I don't even know how to exchange. Please, how do I exchange? All you need to do is to find someone that have the exact coin that you have. Like if I go, then I'm going to tell him, oh, I have 6,000 coins, and he will tell me, okay, exchange. Then I'm going to send him the 6,000 coins using gifts, and then he's going to send me my own as well. And then it will be added to this my balance, where I will be able to withdraw my money. Now let's go back to my Coco DP platform, okay? So if you put in your UID, then you're going to go ahead and click on buy now. So let's put in my UID here, 3322724, which is my ID number. And I'm going to go ahead and click on buy now. And if you click on buy now, it is going to pop up your package for you that you want, like how do you want to pay. So for those ones that are in Kenya, they know exactly how they are going to pay for you. So if you have a friend that is in Ghana, you have a friend that is in Kenya, Tanzania, Uganda, Europe Union, Australia, etc., and so many other countries that are here, Brazil, you're just going to go ahead and tell them that there is something that is called Coco DP that exists, and you want to be making money using this particular platform, so they should be able to help you do this. And before you know, voila, they are going to be doing it for you free of charge. So after knowing all of that, the next thing for you to know that is very important is for you to join their Facebook page, and on which I'm going to be leaving the link and everything for you. And the good part, again, I love their Facebook page, is these are where different events are being carried out. So if they have event like Halloween, they carry out event for Halloween, and then they give this massive discounts, and they also share coins and they share cash prizes as well to their viewers, okay? So all you need to do is, if you follow them, they're going to be giving you some certain rules. Any events that is coming up, you are going to be seeing it here. You can see here there's a Coco DP for players announcement. There are different things they put out here for you to be able to make money on Coco DP. So I hope you check Coco DP today and thank me later. And if you've been using Coco DP as well through this video or through my video, let me know as well in the comment section and tell me, oh, Sonia, I've been using Coco DP and Coco DP has been very helpful. I've been getting a lot of good reviews, so I know that yours will actually not be different. Anyways, thank you so much for staying stick with me to the end of this video. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Do it, subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, and lastly, do not forget to share for every other person to get this good news. And yes, with no further ado, I do add like in my videos. I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next one. For now, bye. I love you guys. Mwah.